Hello everyone, I have the 2007 Mercedes ML I'm doing the crankshaft sensor. I'm just going to show you the location. It's going to be take this, then you take the connector, this dude, you take off this one, and the indication is going to be right behind the engine. Zoom in a little bit, it's going to be right there. That's the location. So I'm going to put it in. So after I put the screws in and then the connector is already all in. So this is your crankshaft sensor on the Mercedes right there. Alright guys, let's see right now. So the problem was the car was taking too long to start. So after replacing that crankshaft sensor, let's try it out. There we go. The car starts fine. So the problem was solved. Thank you.